If you want to learn how to insert an image in Photopea, this video will show you 3 simple methods you can use right away. Whether you want to add an image into an existing project, open an image as a brand new file, or quickly paste one from the web, Photopea makes it very easy once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and helpful editing guides. Let's jump in. The first method is perfect when you are already working inside a project and want to place another image on top of it. To do that, go to the top menu bar in Photopea and click File. Then choose Open and Place. This is the option you want when you want to insert an image into your current design as a separate layer. After that, select the image file from your computer and click Open. Photopea will bring the image into your canvas and you will notice a transform box around it. That box is important because it lets you resize and position the image before finalizing it. You can drag the corner handles to make the image larger or smaller, and you can also move it into the exact spot you want. Once it looks right, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the placement. Now, the image is inserted into your project and ready for editing. The second method is the best choice if you want to start with the image itself as a brand new project. In that case, go to File at the top of the screen and click Open. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+O on Windows or Command+O on Mac to open the file faster. Then choose the image you want from your computer and click Open. Photopea will load the image in its own separate browser tab, creating a new document from it. This is useful when you are editing a single picture and do not need to place it inside another design. It is also one of the fastest ways to begin working on an image in Photopea. The third method is great when you want to insert an image instantly without downloading it first. If you find an image on the web or in another app, you can copy it directly. Just right-click the image and choose Copy Image, or use Ctrl+C on Windows and Command+C on Mac. Then click inside your Photopea workspace to make sure it is active. After that, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste it. Photopea will place the image directly onto a new layer, ready for you to move, resize, and edit. This is especially useful for quick mock-ups, social media designs, and fast image editing workflows. So to recap, if you want to add an image into an existing design, use Open and Place. If you want the image to become a new file, use Open. And if you want to copy an image from the web or another app, simply paste it directly into Photopea. These 3 methods cover almost every situation you will run into when inserting images. If this Photopea tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.